Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how to get these easy studded matte nails by creating your own nail studs. So let's get started. First, apply a base coat to help protect your nails. Then apply a black polish for your base color. Now add a layer of glossy top coat. This will seal the polish so it will last longer and preps the nail for the matte top coat by giving it a smooth surface. Once dry, add a layer of matte top coat. I sort of purposely flood it a little to make sure I won't be left with any glossy areas around the cuticle. Then I clean up. So once the matte top coat has dried, use a glossy top coat or clear polish and dotting tool to apply polka dots onto the nail. If you don't have a dotting tool, you can also use a bobby pin or toothpick instead. Then keep adding layers until the dots start to become raised. I did 3 rounds, but you may need more depending on the thickness of your top coat. So that's all you have to do to create this really cool studded look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!